Today we're in the lovely village of Wyre Piddle, just a few miles away from Pershore. I'm really excited to show you this lovely property. Come and take a look. This beautiful kitchen is not only really stylish and characterful, but it enjoys the most gorgeous views across the river. The whole property has been wonderfully restored by the current owners, and this solid wood kitchen really looks the part. Now this bedroom is every girl's dream. Not only is there a walk-in dressing area, there's this amazing bathtub where you can sit and enjoy more views over the river. The rear garden's been really well landscaped, so it's low maintenance, and it brings you down here to this wonderful decking area with your own private mooring. What boat lover wouldn't love this? If this adorable place by the river looks like the place for you, please come and see us at the office in Pershore. We will be delighted to book you a viewing.